Hello my dear students! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me once again, Teacher Tin, your science teacher for today. So tingnan natin kung napanood nyo ba yung ating previous discussion about taxonomy, classification, at tingnan natin kung may natutunan ba kayo sa diniscuss natin in the previous vlog at sa ating lesson in science. So meron akong hinanda dito na 10 questions na kailangan nyo lang sagutin. Siyempre, explain din natin kung bakit. So, this is me once again, Teacher Tin, your science teacher for today. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates in science. Number 1 question. Which of the following is a correct hierarchy of taxonomic classification from broadest to the most specific? A. Class, order, genus, family, species. Letter B. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. 3. Letter C. Domain, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Or letter D. Kingdom, class, order, phylum, family, genus, species. I'll give you 5 seconds. The correct answer is letter B. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So always remember, yung bakit letter B, unang-una, yun naman talaga yung nasa level of taxonomic classification. Pero may isa pa akong ituturo sa inyo. Tandaan nyo lang yung acronym na King Philip came to order for great spaghetti. So, tandaan nyo lang yung mga first letter ng mga binanggit ko. Ibig sabihin, King stands for kingdom, Philip for phylum, came for class, order, okay, order. Okay, for, F family, great, genus, ayan, and spaghetti for species. Number 2, which taxonomic rank is the most inclusive and encompasses all other ranks? A. Species, B. Genus, C. Kingdom, or letter D. Class. I'll give you 5 seconds. Alright, the correct answer is letter C, kingdom. Kasi among the choices, pinakamataas dyan ang kingdom. So, number 3. In the scientific name Homo sapiens, what does sapiens refer to? A. Genus, B. Species, C. Family, or letter D. Order. Alright, the correct answer? Alright, letter B, species. Okay, Homo sapiens is a scientific name. And always remember, the scientific name is the combination of the genus and the species. So, genus, that's the Homo, and sapiens, that's the species. Number 4. The taxonomic rank domain is used to classify organisms based on, letter A, anatomical similarities. Letter B, genetic differences. Letter C, habitat, or letter D, feeding habit. Alright, the correct answer, that's letter B, the genetic differences. Alright, number 5. Which kingdom in the 6 kingdom classification system consists of organisms that are multicellular, photosynthetic, and have cell walls that made of cellulose? A. Animalia, B. Fungi, C. Plantae, or letter D. Protista. The correct answer? Alright, that's letter C. Plantae. Obviously, photosynthetic. Alin lang ba dyan ang merong photosynthesis? That they can make their own food. Diba? It's the plants because of their cellulose. Meron silang chlorophyll. Meron silang chloroplast. Right, number 6. The kingdom Animalia is characterized by organisms that A. Are multicellular and heterotrophic. B. Obtain energy through photosynthesis. C. Have cell walls made of chitin. Or letter D. Lack of true nucleus. Alright, the correct answer? Letter A. Multicellular and heterotrophic. Okay, ang mga animals, bakit sila tinawag na multicellular? Because they are all eukaryotic. They are larger than the prokaryotic. They are multicellular. They have many cells. And of course, heterotrophic, it means that they feed on other organism. Nabubuhay sila dahil sa ibang organism. Hindi kagaya ng mga halaman that they are autotrophs, that they can feed on their cells because they can make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Number 7. Which kingdom in the Six Kingdom classification system includes organisms that are eukaryotic, mostly multicellular, and obtain energy through ingestion? Alright, letter A, Plantae, B, Fungi, C, Animalia, or letter D, Protista? The correct answer? Alright, that's letter C, Animalia. Okay, mga Animalia, they are eukaryotic, meaning to say they are multicellular. And of course, through ingestion, kung paano sila nakakaroon ng energy. Paano ba ingestion? Of course, kumakain sila using their mouth. Doon dumadaan yung pagkain nila at para ma-digest pababa sa kanilang katawan. Alright, number 8. The kingdom fungi is characterized by organisms that, letter A, are photosynthetic and unicellular. Letter B, obtain energy through ingestion and are multicellular. Letter C, obtain energy through absorption and have cell walls made of chitin. Or letter D, lack of true nucleus and are prokaryotic. The correct answer? Alright, that is letter C. They obtain energy through absorption. Yan ang mga fungi. Hindi kagaya ng mga animals na ini-ingest nila. So, ang mga fungi, ina-absorb nila yung, ayan, okay, ina-absorb nila yung energy. At meron silang cell walls na gawa sa mga chitin. 9. Which of the following 3 domains includes organisms that are known for their ability to thrive in extreme environments such as hot springs and deep sea vents? A. Archaea. B. Bacteria. Letter C. Eukarya. Alright, the correct answer is letter A. Archaea. Alright, yung mga archaea, example niyan, yung mga mechanogens, halophiles. So, kakaiba sila sa mga bacteria. Ang bacteria kasi, yung domain bacteria, yung mga bacteria na to na nakikita natin everywhere. Pero ang archaea, ito kasi yung nabubuhay lang sila sa mga lugar na extreme condition. Kunwari, sobrang alat, kaya nga sabi nandito sa deep sea vents. O kaya naman nasa mga hot spring, sobrang init naman. Dun lang sila kayang mabuhay. Number 10. Which domain in the 3-domain system includes organisms that are characterized by their diverse metabolic capabilities, including photosynthesis, decomposition, and nitrogen fixation? A. Archaea. B. Bacteria. Or letter C. Eukarya. Ayan, sabi dito ay diverse metabolic capabilities, meaning to say, we can find this everywhere, anywhere. Hindi nila kailangan ng mga extreme conditions. The correct answer? Letter B. Bacteria. Ayan! Thank you so much! Congratulations! Ilan ba ang nakuha nyo sa ating 10-item quiz? Ay, very good! So, leave your comment below kung anong score nyo. At, congratulations na agad. So, for sure na makaka-perfect kayo niyan sa exam. So, bumawi na lang sa mga hindi nakakuha ng perfect score. Okay lang yan kasi marami pa namang pagkakataon na mahalaga, may natutunan kayo. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates in Science 8. At syempre, ako ito, muli, si Ma'am Christine May Montas. This is Teacher Tin, your science teacher today and tomorrow and every day. Ayan. Salamat! At nga pala, Okay? Kung gusto nyo nga pala mag-follow din sa akin sa aking FB page, meron tayong lesson vlog with Teacher Tin. So, pwede nyo akong i-message doon. Pwede kayong paki-follow ako doon sa Facebook account natin na yun. At sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe para kayo ay makapasa sa exam. Alam nyo ang nagsusubscribe sa akin? Nagiging top sa klase. Yes, manifesting. Okay, very good. Hi, bye-bye, and see you again.